Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. We are going to the shopping mall. First, we will learn some new words.
Repeat after me. Then, we will use these words in a dialogue with many questions. Are you ready? Let's start.
Shop,
Shop,
mall,
mall, clothes, shoes,
bag,
bag, t-shirt,
dress,
dress,
pants,
pants,
price,
price,
cheap,
cheap,
expensive,
expensive,
money,
money.
Do you like this shop?
Yes, I like this shop.
Is this a big mall?
Yes, it is a big mall.
Do you want new clothes?
Yes, I want new clothes.
Are these shoes nice?
Yes, these shoes are nice.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, I need a bag.
Is this a red t-shirt?
Yes, it is a red t-shirt.
Do you like this dress?
Yes, I like this dress.
Are these pants black?
Yes, these pants are black.
What is the price of this bag?
The price is $10.
Is this bag cheap?
Yes, this bag is cheap.
Are these shoes expensive?
Yes, these shoes are expensive.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
Do you want to buy a dress?
Yes, I want to buy a dress.
Do you like this mall?
Yes, I like this mall.
Is the t-shirt blue?
Yes, the t-shirt is blue.
Are the pants new?
Yes, the pants are new.
Is the price high?
No, the price is low. Yes, the bag is small.
Do you like these clothes?
Yes, I like these clothes.
Great job today! You learned new words and practiced questions and answers at the shopping mall. Let's check together. What does cheap mean? And what does expensive mean? Keep practicing. Repeat the words out loud. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.